Where are we going, Dad?
Downtown.
Let's do it. Oh yeah. See you there. Where are we going, Dad?
Downtown.
Let's do it. Where are we heading today, Dad?
Downtown. Is the sound on?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that, Nyberg. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Downtown car show. See if we make it. Go to the man in the hat.
Hello.
Thanks for coming.
Hi there.
Just follow the Corvette there. I'll
Okay.
park you.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Thank you. Ooh, next to a Stingray? That's not all bad.
You want to keep going or right here?
I don't know, we pull in here. This is cool. Most people are real good. Like that gentleman over there said, if it's old and it's got wire wheels, they want to look at it. They come by, they look. 99.9% of the people are really good. They don't touch it, they just look. Every once in a while you get somebody that's got to go, or whatever. But overall, no, this is fun. It says 1967 Ford Cobra.
Real deal.
Real deal.
car show in the books.
Yep.
Did you learn anything?
That's fun.
Yeah.
Most people are real good.
Uh-huh.
Ask a lot of questions and want to know about the car.
Yep. Yep. It's a long day. Very hot.
Very hot. It's time for food and drink.
Yeah.
And a green arrow.
That'd be nice too.